Next section, aptitude and ability. What is meant by aptitude? Each individual possessing having specific talent called aptitude. Can you define aptitude? Aptitude as a set of characteristics regarded as symptomatic of an individual ability to acquire with training some knowledge, skill or set of response such as ability to speak a language, to produce music and the like. Mathematical representation. Aptitude is equal to capacity or potential plus interest. Achievement is equal to aptitude plus training. What are the difference between aptitude and ability? Aptitude, ability. First, aptitude can be defined as natural ability, but ability can be defined as a power to do something. Second, aptitude is used in sense of natural talent, but ability is used in the sense of skill. 3. Aptitude is potential, but ability is skill. 4. An aptitude may remain within the individual untapped, but an ability is present in the individual. What are the difference between ability and potential? Ability, potential. Ability is a skill, but potential is capacity. Ability is developed through training, but potential fixed by heredity. Can you list types of aptitude? First, musical aptitude. Second, mechanical aptitude. Third, aptitude in arts, dance, painting, fashion. Four, aptitude of different professions, including medicine, nursing, engineering. 5, scholastic aptitude means different courses of study. Measurement of aptitude. How to measure aptitude? Going to learn. Aptitude measures are tests designed to measure aptitude, the capacity to acquire skills or to perform tasks in the future. Ability tests are tests designed to evaluate already exist mental or physical abilities. Interpretation of this test are usually related to specific age or group norms, and they can be used to predict future academic or occupational successes. Difference between aptitude and achievement test. Aptitude test is a test to measure academic knowledge in subjects such as maths, English language and literature, science and reading comprehension. Ability test. First, sensory test, hearing, vision and other senses. Second, motor and physical test, mainly strength, agility. Third, cognitive test, intelligence, aptitude, etc. Achievement test. It is a test or general assessment given to individual in order to measure their comprehension of acquired skills and content. Types of aptitude test. First, Caesar's musical aptitude test to analyze musical test. Second, Stenquist assembling test of general mechanical ability to measure accuracy of mechanical skill. Third, differential aptitude test. It has 8 subtests. First, verbal reasoning, words. Second, numerical ability, numbers. 3, abstract reasoning, problem figures. 4, spatial reasoning, diagrams. 5, mechanical reasoning, mechanical device. 6, clerical speed and accuracy, numbers, symbols and words. 7, language use, spelling, words given some misspelling. 8, language use sentences, sentence divider. Look at this. Uses of aptitude test. To know intellectual ability, to measure motor skill, to identify students' abilities and skills, to job requirement, to select good candidate, to promote employers' performance, to identify medical and nursing professional skills, to know the talent of a person, limitations of aptitude test. Measure only native mental capacity, not consider socio-cultural differences. It cannot use scales, not concern emotional interferences. Aptitude versus health and sickness. Ability directly linked with health status of individuals. Able person cope with stress situation and gets happier life. Good aptitude promote professional skill. Relationship between health and aptitude. Good aptitude. Able to manage the stress, prevent diseases, promote good health. Lower aptitude or skill, difficult to cope with stress, cause diseases, affect mental health, leads to affect physical health as well. Aptitude during sickness. During sickness, lose their ability. Medical professionals involved to develop aptitude. Occupational therapists try to develop their skills. Aptitude, its implication on nursing. Aptitude test to measure client ability to better care give to client. Treatment provide to the client. To formulate effective care plan, client-oriented care plan. Educate to prevent diseases. Promote health status and healthier lifestyle. Develop skills of student nurses through nursing education. Nursing administrators develop aptitude of the subordinate nurses. Provide better health education to client. Use in occupational therapy. Rehabilitation of the client. To provide guidance and counseling. Aptitude has been applied to every nursing specialties, including maternal health nursing, child health nursing, medical surgical nursing, mental health nursing, and community health nursing. It is a knowledge used to prevent the diseases and promote the health, also used to therapeutic purpose. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.